Hi, my name is Anastasia and I'm UI/UX designer with over 8 years experience designing complex digital products. Through my career, I've been focusing not just on how products looks, but on how they actually work in real life, especially when it comes to systems where users interact with complex data, real-time insights, and connected devices. One of my areas of expertise is designing for IoT platforms, where UX is not just about screens, but mostly about translating real world processes into intuitive digital experience. I want to go through one of my cases, and I will start from Solar Manager, that is IoT energy platform for monitoring and managing solar energy systems. In this project, the challenge was not just visual design, it was complexity. We had to design a system that allows user to monitor energy production and consumption in real time, analyze trends and optimize usage, manage multiple devices and locations, and make decisions based on live data. All of this data is constantly changing and highly technical. The goal was mostly for UX. Here was to simplify it and structure information in the way that will be more natural. In this project was developed design for mobile application, Android, iOS, tablets. Also, that was dashboard. It was web application and for a desktop application. Another case that you will check that is monitoring live health IoT platform. Very important, especially for me through the industry, as healthcare industry require a lot of compliances, yeah, and understanding how exactly the system in general works. Right? We are not in this project dealing with data, we are dealing with human lives, and the platform collects and visualizes health related data from connected devices, which means high responsibility for clarity, especially if we talk about old people. That was important to have zero tolerance for confusion and very fast access for critical information. The challenge was to think how exactly to connect IoT device to mobile application and how to make this um, mm, how and for developers especially that was the goal, how to make this connection stable. So for my side, I was focusing on user flows for different roles that included as medical specialist users. Yeah. Also, the goal was to simplify data into understandable insights. And for us, important was that user can quickly detect anomalies and risks. So, in healthcare, the most important is good UX, not about aesthetic. It's about safety and confidence. And I believe in this project you will be able to see this. So I want to say a few words about my approach that allow you to understand how I work specifically in such complex industries. For me, past years I handle complex logic, presents large volume of data, and that is for me important to have intuitive for end users. That could be dashboards, IoT, real-time monitoring platforms, and products for energy, from healthcare, from finance, and so on. I will always start my process from understanding the system and understanding your users and how they interact with the content, and what is the goal of current application. Based on this understanding, I will be able to already provide user flows and provide how exactly I see that user will get more from this platform. I believe that's it at this time. If that sounds like what you wanted to see in cooperation, text me. Bye bye.